Hey YouTube, welcome to the BSL office. We have been sitting at a coffee shop every single day working for the last 3 years, and the coffee shop people were just ready to kill us.
They definitely hated us.
They for sure, no, they were so
we
nice.
We got like a $3 tea and stay there for 8 hours.
Okay, so
like,
it was
a little
just,
sketchy.
it was horrible. So it was just time that we had our own office. We run a website called by Sophia.
Yeah, for those of you who don't know, and we're really expanding, so we were like, all right, like, let's get our own space.
It's time. So we were looking for like 3 months, and then finally we stumbled upon this gem. It's in a 100-year-old building. It's the corner office.
Yeah, we have so much light, there's so much character.
And it just felt perfect. So there's so many details in this space, just from the beams to the wood ceiling to the original wood floors. It just needed a little bit of love. Right when you come in, we got this from Facebook Marketplace, and I literally seen it.
It originally had like weird
It had so many layers of paint on, but the woman that I bought it from, she's like, this was my dresser when I was a child. She's like, it's 6 years old, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, I'm gonna destroy it right now.
No, but I love it. I actually think we probably took it back to like its natural beauty. And sanding this, my arms, I swear, like got the workout of a lifetime.
So toned.
So toned.
This is one of my favorite things that Sophie found. It's from Goodwill, but like how expensive does it look? Like it looks so good.
It was a $4 find, and it looks like...
Yeah, like $200. I feel like people would buy that.
Right. This whole space actually, like Home Goods, Goodwill, random...
We're balling on a budget here.
We're balling on a budget, but trying to make it look like we're not balling on a budget. Literally Amazon Knowles with Rub and Buff. It came together.
Yeah. So this is the entryway.
Yeah.
And then
this whole office just has some weird quirks to it. Like on the wall, there will be, you can't really see it, but behind this, it has just weird molding that just isn't that cute. So it's a big wall, and I wanted to cover it in a way that worked for the brand and just also looked like really cool. These are just 8x4 like huge pieces of MDF. And then I went to Joanna Fabric, I covered them, and then we stalked Pinterest and some of our favorite websites, and each person that was in office got to decorate their own one. So this is mine, and this is just home stuff and other cute things. Eventually, like once we start getting home projects and other things like that, we can change the boards up, which I think is
depending
awesome.
on the project, and put inspo for that.
Right. And then you.
Mine, I did branding stuff, so there's some cool fonts, colors. We're expanding and doing a new website, so we kind of wanted some inspo for that. Put some of our favorite website designs and stuff up for that. And then Shelby did this one, which is kind of like a mix. She did some cool quotes, home decor stuff. Kind of the mix. So
yeah, we love it.
We love those.
It adds a little bit of color without like, we're not that color people, but it adds just a little bit besides like white and black.
Yeah.
Okay, so then we have the desk area, which these are IKEA desks. And
honestly, the desks were not
bad.
It's these chairs. I had blisters on my hands. I almost ended my friendship.
Yeah, Sarah almost killed me in the process of these chairs.
I was like, are you kidding? You couldn't have ordered them like already put together or something.
I didn't know it was an option.
They were awful.
Yeah, they were horrible, but they're comfortable.
Yeah, honestly, worth it.
So worth it. 5 hours of pain to like hours of comfort. We'll take it.
No, it's good.
And then Sarah and I fulfilled our dream of the Mac desktops, which is awesome.
Right.
We have Shelby's non-Mac desktop, so she's not a part of the group, but Sarah and I have it, and they're just like the best.
Yeah, we've never had a desktop Mac, so.
No, and our laptops, if I got one more storage notification.
No, literally I would download something and it would just be like
right.
shutting down.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
The same weird molding thing that was happening with these Pinterest boards or behind the Pinterest boards was also happening behind here. So you would never know because we did this built-in thing. And originally I wanted to like hire a custom cabinet maker to make basically that. And that would have been just so expensive. So we DIY'd
This entire
thing.
Sophia originally showed me the picture. She's like, this is what we're gonna do. I'm like, okay, great. Like, looks good, whatever.
Yeah.
No, this is like 6 IKEA cabinets.
No, you don't understand. It's 6 IKEA, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 6 IKEA cabinets. We built the base out of wood. We were like at Home Depot.
Like
and
literally hand sawing.
No, and like old men would come up to us and be like, are you guys doing this on your own?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it ended up looking great, and we just like tried to make it a lot more custom. Like Ben's, my boyfriend's dad owns a countertop company, and so like he made us this, which just made it a lot more built in. We added the molding at the top. It was a process that I don't recommend anyone ever doing.
Especially in the dead of winter in Wisconsin.
Yes.
We were in my garage painting these for like 8 hours. In like 20-degree weather. It was a process.
But it looks good.
Look at this.
Yeah. This table is my pride and joy. I just knew that in this space, like I wanted a big conference table that we could have meetings at, and then we each have our own desks, obviously. And so I was at the Restoration Hardware outlet, and I was like, if we ever get an office, I'm getting this table. And so once the office stuff started happening, Sarah was like, you are absolutely not getting this table because it was so expensive. It wasn't really that expensive.
No, it was like very discounted.
In the grand
was it like 70% off?
Yeah, and it was literally like 80% off, I think.
Yeah.
So in the grand scheme of things, it wasn't that expensive, but it was still like $1 grand.
Yeah, like for a table.
Which for a table,
I was like, you better want to use this table for 10 years.
Which I will.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah.
As of right now, I will.
It is gorgeous.
It's beautiful. And then the rug is awesome. It's water repellent, which we're in Wisconsin, so like
trudging snow
everywhere. We love the chairs. They took about a year and a half to get in.
We thought we were getting scammed for a while,
we
so
thought we were getting scammed, but it all worked out.
So we had to be very extra and got these fossil waters.
Oh my god, I see that. Why do people judge me so hard for that? These waters
are expensive.
Yeah, but no, they're from Home Goods. Like, doesn't that look so cool? I think it looks awesome.
I was like, we're never drinking them because we just need them for display. Like,
no one's allowed, unless it's like a client, you're not allowed to come in and drink these waters.
Yeah.
I was set in stone about putting a wall from right here to right there, just because there's no closet space in this entire office space, and so like we're here all day, so just somewhere to make lunch or like to hide that TV. I mean, like, let's be real, this is not a cute situation.
Yeah, I mean, usually we have like our toaster.
Yeah, everything's out. So, but then like after a while, we were like, no.
Well, first it was like, it would have been torn down once we left the office, so it was kind of just a waste of money.
It was just a waste of money.
And there's so much light in this space that we were like, well, it's gonna block it off, and I feel like it would have been kind of cramped right there. And so in the end, we decided not to do it.
And
I'm so happy.
I'm so happy. Oh, that would have been, I'm so happy about it. But then this is now out, which at first, like the reason why I wanted a wall too is that I was like, it's cabinet on shelf, which is kind of weird, but I actually love it. And I think it's styled so cute.
Not to toot your own horn.
Not to toot my own horn, but it looks good. And besides that picture, that's still the wrong way, but ignore. It still looks good, I feel like. And then each person gets a basket. We have a community basket of tea. The not so cute side of the office, but practical, so.
Gotta have it.
This whole shelf is from Target, essentially.
Yeah, and good.
Target, IKEA, Goodwill,
West
baskets or West Elm.
Yeah.
That is the entire office. I mean, it really feels like a dream come true.
Yeah, it worked out too well.
It worked out too well that we were slightly nervous about what could happen.
Yeah, but it looks like so good. Kudos to Sophie for doing the entire design. Kudos to me for building everything.
And for dealing with me through the process, but really we love it. It's perfect for us. We're so excited to see the business grow, and if I start crying, no, I'm just kidding. But it's perfect, and we hope that you like to see in the office. I'm nosy, so
Oh yeah,
I watch office tours all the
I
time.
would always want
Yeah.
to see this.
Yeah.
Yeah. So